Hi my loves, this is Rajeshwari Ram. Thank you so much for watching Pebblefly. So in today's video we are going to create this legit smoky eye look. Can you believe it? I'm just in love with this look. I don't know, the way it turned out and the way I styled it, I am so happy. I just brushed my makeup skills in this quarantine and you can see how beautifully it turned out. So I hope you are interested in this video and all stick to the end of this video because I also styled this black saree. I put up a story asking a question to you guys to suggest me some of the video ideas or any challenges. One of my beautiful friend Varsha asked me to style a black saree, so I combined styling a black saree with a smoky eye. So Varsha, if you're watching this, you gave me such a beautiful idea. Thank you so much, and I hope you all love this video. If you have any requests, you can leave them in the comment section. So let's begin with the smoky eye. All you need is black kajal and eyeshadow and brown eyeshadow. First step, apply black kajal all over your eyelid. Don't be perfect here. Anyways, we blend it afterwards. But remember, do not apply above the crease line. It will ruin all the look. The second step would be take this soft blending brush and start blending the kajal to give the soft edge. While blending it, give a shape at the end of your eye, preferably on your outer V. Blend it in circular motions or windshield wiper motions. Smoky eyes involve a lot of blending and a lot of patience, so have patience and blend it nicely. Just see here how I am blending in the circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Do the exact same step. And the step 3 would be mattifying the kajal with the eyeshadow, preferably the black one, so it doesn't smudge and stick to the upper eyelid. You should dab the product, not drag the product like how I'm showing in the screen. Just dab the entire product on the lid. Once you're happy with it, now the step 4 is the crucial one. Now blend the edges with the brown eyeshadow to give the transition effect. You know, just blend the eyeshadow slowly and steadily. Just blend. Don't try to be perfect here. If you feel it was enough for you, then stop and move to the further steps. But don't forget to blend it nicely and clearly. I felt so relieved after finishing this eye. Now clean the fallout with the micellar water. It will so handy to clean. Just take the Q-tip and first shape the eyeshadow like that and clean all around the fallouts. I'll be right back applying the next eye. I skipped how I apply makeup, but I will leave the links where I do exact makeup in my previous videos. Don't forget to check that out, or also I leave the eye section. Now the next step, or the step 5, would be repeat the same process on your lower lash line. If you want the in-depth tutorial, you can go and check my Instagram, where I posted a video on it. Now don't forget to tightline your eyelid so that it doesn't give you weird white patch look when you roll up your eyes. Now comes the key step. After finishing the blending, it feels like the intensity of the look was little less. So to give that intensity back, reapply the eyeshadow. It gives the more intense and more cool smoky eye look. And finish it off with applying the mascara. If you want, you can also apply false eyelashes. I'm skipping it. Then we move to the styling. Firstly, I added cute handcrafted earrings. The white stones and the white design of my saree was emerging the look. I wanted to elevate my neck, so I am not using any kind of a neck piece here. For my hair, I wanted to do sleek bun, but in middle I loved how my hair felt here, so I left it like that. If you want to, you can also do the bun. It's completely up to your choice. I draped my saree in a normal way, leaving my pallu freely. I have a complete dedicated video on a saree draping, so you can go and check that video if you want to know more details of how I drape the saree. So came to finished look, you guys. I am just love how it turned out. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you love this video. If you recreate this look like me, please tag me on Instagram and share all your reviews in the comment section, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you with my next video very soon, and in my next video I'm going to show how to apply a liner, a lot of tips to apply a perfect liner. So stick to that video, and until next time we meet, lots of love from my heart to yours. Bye guys.